Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable parental controls in Royal Match. To enable parental controls in Royal Match, first of all, launch open Royal Match on your device and from the main homepage, click on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to tap on parental control. Now on the next page, click on Set PIN and then enter your email address to use the parental control. After typing down your email, click Continue and then you'll receive a code sent to your provided email inbox. Go open up your email inbox and type in the code that you received in the text box. Make sure to type in the correct code exactly as it appears in your inbox and click Continue. Now create your PIN you'd like to log with. Confirm your PIN by retyping it and click Continue. Now you have successfully set PIN on your Royal Match game. Once the PIN is set, you can manage features like in-app purchases and chat settings, and there you have it. That is how to enable parental controls in Royal Match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back again in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.